Good morning, dear children. How are you? All are keeping fine? എല്ലാവരും നന്നായിട്ട് പഠിക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ? തരുന്ന നോട്ടൊക്കെ അയച്ചു കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? കുറേ പേരൊക്കെ അയച്ചു തരാത്തുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. എല്ലാവരും നോട്ടും TP ഒക്കെ കൃത്യമായിട്ട് അയച്ചു തരുവേ. നല്ലപോലെ പഠിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യണം കേട്ടോ. Today we can revise our lessons. First lesson, Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi lies in the northern part of India. Yamuna is the main river that flows through the city. Which is the main river that flows through the city? Yamuna. History. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built a section of the city that is known as Old Delhi. Who built Old Delhi? Shah Jahan. New Delhi was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens. Who designed New Delhi? Sir Edwin Lutyens. Climate. During the summer season, a hot wind called Lu blows over Delhi. What is the name of that wind? Lu. The winter season is very cold and foggy. There are some important places. Rashtrapati Bhavan and Parliament House. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of President. Parliament House is the Prime Minister's office and other departments of the Indian government also located here. Next is interesting places in Delhi. Which are the interesting places in Delhi? India Gate, Qutub Minar, Iron Pillar and Red Fort. Which are the some important places in Delhi? India Gate, Qutub Minar, Iron Pillar and Red Fort. India Gate was built as a memorial to honor the soldiers of the British Indian Army killed in the First World War. The Amar Jawan Jyoti is kept lit all the time in memory of the soldiers who sacrificed their lives of our country. India Gate built as the memorial honor of soldiers of the British Indian Army killed in the First World War, and Amar Jawan Jyoti is kept lit all the time in memory of the soldiers who sacrificed their lives of our country. Qutub Minar. It is one of the tallest brick minaret in the world. It is a brick minaret. It is one of the tallest brick minaret in the world. Iron Pillar. What is the peculiarity of Iron Pillar? An interesting fact about the Iron Pillar is that despite being exposed to nature, it still remains rust-free. Red Fort. Who built Red Fort? Shah Jahan built Red Fort. It is made of red sandstone. Next is language and dress. The main language spoken is Hindi. Which is the main language spoken in Delhi? Hindi. Traditionally, men wear pajama and kurta, and women wear sari or salwar kameez. Celebrations. In Delhi, there are national festivals and religious festivals. Which are the national festivals celebrated in Delhi? Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Which are the religious festivals celebrated in Delhi? Diwali, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Holi and Eid ul-Fitr. Our next lesson is Mumbai and Kolkata. Mumbai is formerly known as Bombay. It is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is also considered the financial capital of India. Mumbai is considered as the financial capital of India. There are many industries and educational institutions in Mumbai. Bombay High is India's largest offshore oil field. Reserve Bank of India. These are the some industries in Mumbai. The Bhabha Atomic Research Center, the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and the Indian Institute of Technology are some of the institutions. Interesting places in Mumbai. Which are the interesting places in Mumbai? Juhu Beach, Gateway of India, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Elephanta Caves and Malabar Hill. Juhu Beach is situated on the shores of the Arabian Sea. Juhu Beach is situated on the shores of the Arabian Sea. Gateway of India was built to commemorate the visit of King George V to India in 1911. It is the most important landmark of Mumbai. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, formerly known as Victoria Terminus Railway Station. Elephanta Caves are situated on the Elephanta Islands in the Arabian Sea. Elephanta Caves are situated in Elephanta Islands in the Arabian Sea. Malabar Hill. Kamala Nehru Park and the Hanging Garden are located in the Malabar Hill. Then is about the language. Marathi is the official language. Which is the official language of Mumbai? Marathi is the official language. And Ganesh Chaturthi and Janmashtami are the festivals celebrated in the Mumbai. Important festival in the Mumbai. Next is Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal and it is on the banks of the river Hooghly. Calcutta was the capital of British India till 1911. 1911 വരെ ബ്രിട്ടീഷ് ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ആയിരുന്നു ഏത്? കൽക്കട്ട. Transportation. It is the only city that still has a tram network. ഈ tram network ഇപ്പോഴും നിലവിലുള്ള ഒരേ സിറ്റിയാണ് കൊൽക്കത്ത. Kolkata is famous for different modes of public transport such as the suburban railway, the metro railway, trams and buses. ഇപ്പോഴും tram network ഉള്ള ഒരേ ഒരു സിറ്റിയാണ് കൊൽക്കത്ത. ട്രാം നെറ്റ്വർക്ക് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മുടെ റോഡിൽ കൂടെ ഓടുന്ന 2 കമ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് ഉള്ളതാണ്. പക്ഷെ റെയിൽസിൽ കൂടെയാണ് ഓടുന്നത്. അതിന്റെ ബാക്കിൽ നിന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ മുകളിലേക്ക് ഇലക്ട്രിസിറ്റി ആയിട്ട് കണക്ഷൻ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. Next is about language. Bengali is the most widely spoken language in Kolkata. Which is the most widely spoken language in Kolkata? Bengali. And culture. Its tradition of the filmmaking includes renowned directors such as Satyajit Ray. A variety of literary works have been left behind by writers such as Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay and Rabindranath Tagore. Some famous film directors and some writers are there in Kolkata. Salt Lake Stadium and the Eden Gardens are the important stadiums in the Kolkata. Durga Puja is one of the main religious festivals in Kolkata. Okay, all of you study well. I will send the model question paper. എല്ലാവരും നന്നായിട്ട് പഠിച്ചിട്ട് വേണം പരീക്ഷ എഴുതാൻ. അധികം 1 word ആൻസേഴ്സേ ഉള്ളൂ. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് കുറവാണ് മക്കളെ. അതുകൊണ്ട് എല്ലാവരും നന്നായിട്ട് പഠിക്കണം കേട്ടോ. താങ്ക് യു.